You can see that I'm starting by placing just a pinch of some triple cheddar cheese right into my muffin tin. Now I have some Bob Evans macaroni and cheese. Yes, so we're gonna grab some of that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nice spoonful here and I'm gonna just place that right on top of the cheese, so that ball of macaroni and cheese is laying right on top of that cheese that we have lined into our muffin tin. You guys are gonna love this easy 3-ingredient fun appetizer. I love doing this for football season or get-togethers around the fall season because it's super easy and quick to whip together, and it's just a little bit different, not something that everybody has or maybe has even seen before. So it's nice to be a little bit different, a little bit more creative, and yes, definitely delicious. Who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? So go ahead and finish up just filling up all of those muffin cups, and we are headed on a great start right here, moving right along. Now, once again, we're gonna come back in with the cheddar cheese. Now, of course, could you switch up the cheese? Yes, of course you can switch up the cheese. This recipe is very versatile, and I'm sure there are many things that you might like in your macaroni and cheese. If there is, or anything that you would add inside of this, you know that we wanna hear all about it in the comments so we can share our ideas. I'm keeping it a little bit more on the plain Jane side here and just making it 3 ingredients, easy peasy for what we're doing today. But of course, the possibilities are endless, and I wanna hear all about yours. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish filling up these and topping them off with this delicious cheese, because how can we ever have enough cheese? I don't know. I know I can't. So to stick with the easy theme, I have some pre-cooked bacon right here just because I want to make it easy. Of course, you can just cook yours up, but what I like about this is that it's already pre-cooked, so all it needs to do is when it starts to heat in the oven with the rest of the stuff, it'll start to give its juices to all of that macaroni and cheese and on top of the cheese. Now, of course, if you don't want any bacon, don't put bacon. Maybe you're gonna just put some onions, maybe you're gonna put some chives. You know what I just thought of? Maybe you're gonna put some flaming hot Cheetos. Holy cow, have you ever had flaming hot Cheetos on top of your macaroni and cheese? Let me tell you what, I went to a place the other day and I had a grilled cheese sandwich, and they put flaming hot Cheetos in the grilled cheese, and then they also kind of made this dust and they put it on the outside of the bread. It was phenomenal. I love doing that, and I love going to that spot just for that grilled cheese. So there was my inspiration right there. But anyways, we're sticking with bacon, so that doesn't have anything to do with it, but just an idea in case you were wondering and wanted to have an idea, or you are a fan of a little bit of spiciness, give it a try because it is off the charts amazing. Okay, so we got those filled up with bacon. We'll save this bacon for something else, or I don't know, babe, maybe you want some bacon with your eggs tomorrow or something. Okay, so we got that all good to go. This is looking fabulous. All we need to do now is we need to pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for 20 minutes, and stick around because you're gonna be so impressed when these pop up into these little bite-sized pieces. Wow, you guys, check those out. Our macaroni and cheese bites are all done, and look at how nice and crispy they look. Important, you do want them a little bit crispy, because watch what's gonna happen. When you go through in the pan, I'm just gonna pull away this edge really kind of gently here. Let's see if I can just lift this right out. Check this out. This is what we're doing this for. A bite-sized macaroni and cheese bite. What a fantastic appetizer. And the way that that cheese is just crusted around the macaroni and cheese with just a little bit of bacon on the top for some extra deliciousness. All right, let's see. See what I'm talking about? Macaroni and cheese on the inside. We've got this cheese on the outside. We've got this bacon. Home run. Wow, these are amazing. David's over there. He's eyeing them over there. He wants some. Here, babe. Look at that. First, check it out. It is just so perfect. I love this bite size. Make them yourself. Oh my goodness. Here you go, babe. This one's for you. All right, you guys. I'm going to keep digging in because I'm starving and I love this little snack. Honestly, there is nothing that I love more than bite-sized food, right? It's the best. It tastes better. I don't care what anybody thinks. All right, you guys, let me know if you're gonna switch this up in any way. Do you like this recipe? What do you think? Are you adding anything in? Tell me all about it in the comments. We'll see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy.